So today we're going to install this. This is the home cellular shade blackout here in this bathroom window. All right, let's get started. Those are the main clips. Probably won't use those. They hold on the bottom. The side with the one line is the back, and then this is going to go under it. So there's an open spot on these and a closed spot. So the open spot's going to go down towards the bottom. These are a little bit finicky. There we go. And this one slides on, closed piece, open piece. The open piece goes towards the, just like that. So closed. So again, this is the top. The top, this is the bottom. So that is in there. Now pulling. You just have to put the top in first and put the top in and then rolls back. It's like it says there. Put the top in, roll it back. They give you these pieces here if you wanted to screw it down. All right, so this was home decorations, 29 by 44, a blackout. They didn't cut it, the size fit. My window, so little gap on the side, little gap on the side. When I measured it, I just made sure the blind covered that area right here and wasn't letting anything through here. And then put it back and this back. All right, that blind's installed. Let's go do something else. Alright, so if I put it about one bracket length in on each side, there should be enough room. You can see how I sized that. It's definitely a little bit of room that I can center it, and definitely long enough. So let's get these brackets up there. Alright, we're gonna go one bracket length in. One bracket length in. Alright, we got the bracket in. Make sure we put these clips on before, because once you place underneath, get the front end. Alright, so then this I should be able to get in by pull it down so it clicks in there. There we go. Alright, now center it. Let's go this way. Just put my fingers in there to center it. Probably should have put this on before. There we go. So that clicks in. There we go. Again, this window's not finished. Wall gets stone, so all right, there's that one. Let's go do the double. We are back with the ladder. Here's what we got. Again, these are Home Depot. I believe I had these cut down to 62 inches. It's been so long. So let's get these installed. Alright, so I'm going to make sure I put these 4 brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to make sure these brackets aren't over this. Don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to mark where these are at. You won't even see these marks. Snap this clips in.
You